problem in starting car, cold starting problem in car is a very common thing which is faced by many users. Basically, starting problem is not that much big problem which mechanics and showroom persons suggest us. Many a times they say that problem is in the battery of the car. Many a times they say that your spark light is not working properly. Many a times they say that cable, fuel, injector and many other things which has no relation with starting problem. There's a different system with them, but they say to change or upgrade the spark, fuel injector and many other things. Hello friends, you are welcome to one more video of DIY Master, and this is your voiceover artist Miss Yukta. In today's video, we are going to see how you can get rid of starting or cold starting problem in Maruti 800. So before fixing the starting problem, we have to understand that why does this problem arises? What is the reason behind this? Friends, this is so simple. The petrol cars run on ignition system and it has electronic circuit which makes the ignition. There is a distributor in this which distributes the spark from the piston. So all the problem of starting arises from here. There comes a small rusting or settlement at the distributor because of which sparking distribution is irregular. So in today's video, we are going to see how in Maruti 800 we can solve the cold starting problem and will clean the distribution box. So come on, let's start. First of all, we'll see the distribution box and clean it, which is very easy. You can easily clean it in your house without the help of any mechanic by seeing this video. So come on, let's see. So guys, first of all you have to first open the bonnet, and after opening the bonnet, as you know, there are many things in the engine section. This is 800 of 2001. All are of same type. There is not much difference. Only type difference is there. This is basically type 3 893 model. So in this portion which you are seeing from where many cables are arising and went to different pistons, after distribution, this is distributor, and the main cable of distributor comes from ignite cable, which is the ignition coil. Apart from the spark system is a different thing that I'll tell you. The way to open this is very simple. Here we have to simply remove the clip, and same one more clip is on this side. We have to remove this also. As we remove it, the distributor box gets separated. So for now, we'll remove this and understand what is this. So you can see here that here is some system. You can see here a capacitor and a distributor which rotates and generates spark. And here you can see a rust generated by the spark. And same thing you can see here, there are three different things, and here also you can see the marks of spark. To get rid of starting trouble, we have to clean this distributor. To clean this distributor, you can use any sandpaper, or if you don't have sandpaper, you can use screwdriver tip and rub it to clean this. So common, let's do this. So guys, to rub this we are using a filler, because using sandpaper won't be better, because the particles coming out from sandpaper can also create rust. So we are not using it. Here you can see simply when we are rubbing it, more clean and the rust is disappearing. Because it is made of brass, so no need to worry. After cleaning this, rub it with air or oily cloth and not with watery cloth. And the same thing you have to do here. Now here I can hold the camera at the same time. So first I'll clean it and then show it to you. So now you can see this guys. We have cleaned this and now the brass here is fully visible. It means that if there will be any problem of misfire or spark missing, then it is fully finished. And here the carbon part in the center, from here it comes. So come on, let's close it and test the car once. So now we have closed it. Now just we have to put it again. Packing is done. Just take care that the position is correct. Here there was a cap which has fallen somewhere. We have to find it and put it again. So let's fit it and get inside the car. Guys, we are in our car. Now let's check the self and let's start the car and see that the starting problem isn't there. It happens with all vehicles, maximum during rainy season because moisture increases, and this is the reason I have made this video before. Come on, let's check it once. So now you can see that I made only half self and the car started very easily. So I hope before rainy season this general maintenance video have been liked by you all, and today you will have learned to clean the distributor and distribution box of your car. So we'll meet in our next video. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.